David Leyonhjelm, was the most important thing that happened in the country today what happened in Melbourne or what happened in Canberra?
Yeah, for the economy, for the future of private property and native title and getting things done, yes, the High Court decision was the most important one. It'll have to come back to the High Court, though. I mean, if that is used as the basis for determining economic loss in other cases, it's totally unaffordable. It'll bankrupt. We'll end up with a few thousand, tens of thousands of Aborigines in the country who are very, very wealthy, and the rest of us will all be broke. And obviously that's, you know, we're not going to allow that to occur. We'll go back to the High Court and it'll get argued. This is going to be a long fight, I would have thought.
Do you think the federal parliament has the capacity to deal with this properly?
Yeah, they do. I mean, they legislated after Mobo and after Wicks in order to try and put a fence around the issue that the High Court had handed to them, and I think they'll have to do the same thing again, or, you know, it'll send the country broke. That there is a really quite an unfortunate aspect to this as well, though, in that the native title is a collective title. You can't leverage it, you can't borrow against it, you can't sell it. You're stuck with this collective idea that if you happen to be Indigenous, you're entitled to something. And so it's pretty useless in practical terms. If you could sell it, if you could borrow against it, if you could do something economically valuable, would be worthwhile thinking about that. But as it is, this compensation that the High Court has decided these people are entitled to, it's nothing much more than sit-down money. It's, you know, just because of who you are, you haven't done anything to entitle you to that. Unearned money is the worst kind. It is absolutely the worst kind. It's not going to do anybody any good, really.